So we got our plan here today. Gotta clean up some garbage because there's just like too much code. Like all this human code is no longer used. And we probably don't need it. I think, like, I'm sure we can figure out how to rewrite this. It's not the most complicated thing. So we're just starting it off with like an easy win. Actually, let's compile, make sure. There's no code. Okay, there's code somewhere. Oh, human soup. This music is a little mind flooding. Okay. But okay. Update. Make it quieter for me and louder for you. Okay, let's try that. Okay. Ay. Humans. I have this like, in order for me to use my headphones, I have like a cable dangling in front of my face because of the microphone. I mean, it's working. So I mean, that sounds like mission accomplished to me. Boom. Okay, so next, I think the colliders in here are just like too small. Like, look at this. I mean, too big. Like, I don't know. It doesn't need to be that big. Although, there's a question. The chicken collider probably shouldn't be that big, but it has this weird black line in it. I don't know why that's happening. Okay, let's open a sprite again. Because the chicken should not be like that. Let's open the tile sheet. Okay. I have this giant pink circle for some reason, but let's go like this. Okay. So one of these must have like a black thing here, right? I don't see it. What could possibly be causing that? I don't see anything here. What am I missing? Is it... What are we missing? What are we missing? Why would there be a hole there? Okay, let's look at the game again. Where's that chicken? Where's the chicken? Where'd he go? How could he... He's just... Oh, there he is. He's just on a mission, this chicken. Okay. Let's see. What could possibly... Let's just grab the chicken. There we go. What is causing this black line? This looks like I drew on the thing. But it would be... I mean, it would be obvious to see if we had it. Is it... Did we fix it in the past and we just didn't re-export? Let's do that. Export, tile sheet. Yes. Let's restart the game. Ay. Okay, where's the chicken? Come here. No. What? Get out of here. See, this is the problem with the giant colliders. Oh, the baby has it too. That's so strange. Why? Okay, so it's... Oh, wait, I know. Wait, no, I don't. Why does the baby have it, too? The dog have it? I don't think so. I have, like, dirt on my monitor, but I don't think the dog does. Why does the baby have it, though? Guess what? Guess who's using the subclass and who's not? Okay. So, it must be something in the code. as is kind of expected when you write code and then you run it, it must be something in here. So what could cause these random black lines in them? Like, I don't understand. Is it are we drawing something else? Okay, let's make the collider smaller and hope that that fixes it, and then just, I don't know, be happy with ourselves. Okay, so sprite scale, we're actually gonna scale down the collider. So we're gonna say like, I don't know. We're gonna make it like 3/4 of the size. I don't know. We'll see what feels right. But I think it doesn't, like, your collider in real life isn't like exactly the size of, oh. Well, the chicken's black line is gone. We're gonna have to move the collider now. I mean, should the chicken, I kind of don't, oh no, the chicken does have it, it's just off. That's so confusing. Okay, and the position is here. Do we have to set the origin differently? I wish I knew what my code was doing, and then I wouldn't have to worry about this. I would just write code correctly the first time. Is that better or worse? I feel like that's no different. Okay, what? Oops. The origin? Wait, the origin is not for, oh, the dog doesn't even, no one flips yet, so that's useless. What does this do? Like, why does this need to be anything but 0? Doesn't look like it does anything. And we're never gonna flip vertically like a hamburger, so. I mean, yeah, I don't think that's any different. Okay, let's try this. This one might matter. But if it doesn't, I mean, that's just clean code, baby. I need to get the, here, let me, macro, clean code. Okay, that's gotta be fixed. Can I make this bigger? Oh, it's always gonna do that? Okay, I'll just do a screenshot. Okay, this is our goal here. Oh, you can't see that. There you go. Oh, but it's gonna get covered. Where can I put it? Where? Yeah, I'm not gonna use the thing today. Okay. There you go. That's our goal. Our goal is nice and clean code. There we go. Okay. So, oh no, the game is so frozen. Okay. Where'd the chicken go? The chicken is always. So we probably do need the origin to be centered. Okay, but does it really need to be this complicated? Let's do bounds dot. Let's just do this. Oh, I guess it makes sense to scale it. Wait, but the origin shouldn't be. Wait, no. The origin should just be width divided by 2, because unless the origin is global. Sorry. I need to close some of these old ones. There's probably some. I need to like run Valgrind or something on the code as well. Oh, I'm zoomed in. Well, that does zoom in for you. Oops. Okay. Force of habit. I'm blind, by the way, so it's very hard to see the text sometimes, even with this giant font. Okay. So what was the issue? I don't even remember. Can we do like hot swapping? That would be amazing. Let's add that to the list. I'm gonna add it right underneath this. Let's do code hot swap. That'd be amazing. That's probably a bigger question. Okay, so, I mean, I like the size of it. Give me this. I like the size of the chicken sprite. We just need to make sure it's set correctly. So when we set the origin, we want the origin. Oh, this song has lyrics. I forgot what I was gonna say. So mind flooded with all these lyrics. Okay. I don't even know what the origin does, honestly. Let's look it up. Okay, I need to add window capture. Clean code. What are we looking for? We're looking for screenshots. Is that what it's called? I'm like really concerned that I'm gonna accidentally share something that I shouldn't. Oh, that's more like it, boys. Okay, so now when we do this, oh, nope, it's gone forever now. Display capture? No, not display capture. Clean code. We're looking for, what is this called? Starts with a P. Preview. Here we go. Oh, it's pretty good. Look at that. Now that's gonna be on top of the screen as well. Yeah, we just need to crop it. This is the future, right here. Crop. Crop the right. Oh god, I'm cropping the wrong thing. Look at that. Crop left. Ooh. Oh, that was close. That was close. Top. Oh, it's a little much. Close. Look at that. Oh, nice clean code. Oh my god, it's so bad. Okay, so I can't even see. It's not even on this monitor, which is amazing because it means like it's not in my way. It's just in your way. Okay. Where's this chicken? Where is it? Wait, I need to. Okay, number one. First, zoom. We want the zoom level to be maximum, like. I wish we need like a debug mode. Let me add that. Debug mode. Because like technically this should be 4. But like also, what about like 10? So I can actually zoom out and find this chicken. Oh, that's amazing. Okay. I love code. Okay, so let's grab this chicken. Oh, not you. Okay. Let's figure out, what was I don't even remember what I was gonna look up. Oh, how the origin works. Sprite. You can see I was looking up Stanford. Okay, so origin. It's a local origin. The origin of the object defines the center point for all transformations. But if we're not transforming, right, then the origin shouldn't make a difference. It's just the position that matters relative to the chicken, right? So when we set the position, it's a global position, right? Okay, so let's go back to this. I mean, honestly, well, it'll matter when we flip the, I want to say penguin, flip the chicken around. But the position here, let's position.x. Right, so why really is the real question. Okay, so if the position is the top left of the chicken, we want to like add bounds.width divided by 2, something like that, and bounds.height divided by 2. Or maybe like divided by a third or something. Did that even move? Did that even change for the chicken? Is bounds just really tiny? Oh, right. Sprite scale. Okay. I feel like that didn't change anything at all either. Am I... Like, what if I make it like times 100? That should do something, right? What if it doesn't do anything? What are we gonna do? I know what the problem is. It's because we're probably like setting the position here, and the position needs. Aye. Let's just get rid of it here. The position is just not gonna get set until like the first time you render the frame, but like, you know, it'll just be some weirdness. Okay, so that's too much. So no sprite scale this time. That's where it was before, I think. What if I just do like, I don't know, 50? We're not here for dynamic numbers, okay? We're here to hand code bespoke code, I guess. You know, actually on the Y position, I'm happy with that. The X is garbage, so let's just get rid of the X. We don't need that. We don't need that in our life. Honestly, we could... Wait. I don't understand. I mean, you know what they say, right? When it's working, just double down. That's what they say. Keep going. Keep going. At some, you know, and by at some point I mean never. I mean that's a lot better. The dog could learn a few things. Okay, so I mean that sounds like, to me this is, oh gosh, this is making the collider smaller. I still don't understand what that red or the black line is. It doesn't make any sense to me. Sorry, the plow truck is plowing. Better than any sirens, right? Okay, so the... Why does the chicken have this? And why is it like offset like that? And why can't we see it? What are we missing? Is it this? Are my grid lines not set up correctly? It's catching like the bottom of the baby's foot. I'm gonna be a little annoyed. Because I don't really, I mean like the grid is... Okay, number one, you. We can fix that. Anyone else? Anyone else? Ha 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 ha. This big baby. Also, that chicken's gonna have floating hair now. Congrats. Look what you've done. Look what you've done. Okay. Update the tile sheet. Okay, so look at that. Psh, easy. Easy, dude. Easy. Boom. And we also fixed black lines showing up on chicken. Oh, you can't even see that. Let's just call it chick and lines. Okay. Now for the hard part, let's look up if we can do some kind of like hot swap. Like, I don't know, hot swap code? Is that a thing you can do? C++, hot swap. Let's read Reddit. Oh gosh, it's too much. What is your business plan? I just want to know how. But I don't really want a module. Oh gosh, that sounds like a lot of work. Old demo, oh, implementation details? Juice.com. No! What did you say? This feature, automatic rebuild and background hookup swapping, is available for C++, built upon LLVM. It's the most complicated thing I ever did. Well, never mind, I guess. Gotta use the IDE. Maybe not worth. Maybe not worth doing. Unless we put like a lot of our magic numbers in a thing. Let's put an X. Green X, because you know we did research it, but it's kind of useless. Okay. Let's make a debug mode. Hashtag define debug. How do you read like an environment variable? Read env var C++. std get env. Okay. C std lib. What do we want to do? Oh, I guess we'd... Oops. Bool debug is std-env get env. Oh, sorry. I don't know. What do we think? What do we think? Get env debug, I guess. Null terminated string return value identifying or null pointer if no such variable is found. Oh, so it's actually like const char star debug env, and then we just do like bool debug equals null ptr lit. Okay, so I mean that should be enough, right? So now here we're just gonna go max zoom level equals 10 equals debug 10, otherwise 4. Look at that. Might as well put it all the way at the top. Okay. What else do we want? This one? This is, I don't know if this should be debug, but if debug, when you hit escape in the game, just exit. Come on. Otherwise, pause the game. Eventually, this will be fake. It will be changed, but Um, I don't know if you can you do it based on like a, whatever. Move on with my life. Okay, so let's do main. Set up the menu system here. So this is going to be debug is 4, otherwise 0. So it always starts on the root. Okay, let's try it. So it should open on the main menu. Perfect. So now, hello. How do you do this? Oh, it's like export, debug, something like that. But then it'll like always be exported. That didn't work. I guess it has to be set to something. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. Happy resources, tell sheet to output. There we go. Okay, what did we do? We did remove human, smaller colliders, chicken pixels, and debug mode. Perfect. Okay. Mark that one complete. Next, baby walking. Yeah, right now the babies don't move, so let's get that done. This should be pretty easy because we can just grab the code that we have for the webhooks. Oh, for Git? No, I'm sure I set it up like once in my life, but not ever recently. I just I'm just using like the basic stuff. Let's see. Where's the baby? It's a dog. It's kind of like Untitled Goose Game, but with a dog. Wait 1 second. Let's do this, and you'll see. Basically, you play a dog, and this well has like a mind of its own, and it'll ask you to get stuff for it. So in this case, it might ask you for a baby, and then you throw the baby in the well, or it'll be like go get all the chickens. You get all the chickens, throw them in the well. There's a bunch of other items, as you can see if I scroll up here. Eventually, this will be a lot of the stuff. So it's kind of just like, you know, you have, I don't know, a minute to run through the town and grab the things that the well desires, and if you don't, you know, the well won't be happy. Oh, the baby's walking. Look at that. Okay. He doesn't... I need to add flipping. So, we're almost there. Flip chicken plus a baby. This one is done, though. Add a check mark. Okay, so when do we want to flip the baby? We want to flip the baby if it's moving left. Oh, we're just like... This is direction. Okay, so we should be able to get the sign of this. Right, like if we're moving positive direction. Yeah, so let's normalize this direction vector. And then we will... Do I have a sign function? see. I should have one. Yeah, I guess not. Let's see. Right facing. If the normal direction is greater than 0, true, false. Oh, not normal, magnitude. Okay. So if it's right facing, we just want to scale to -1, 1. Or maybe it's the opposite of that. I don't know. Oh my gosh, the chicken's so tiny. But he's facing the right way. Okay, that's perfect. So then it's going to be this dot sprite scale and this dot sprite scale. What, isn't like that? Oh, this is a pointer. Okay, let's see what we got. Normal sized chicken on his way. I don't think he's gonna rotate, unfortunately. He always heads this direction. But we can add the same thing for the baby. Not that the baby will change directions either, but so we pop it here. Position, oops, position. Direction. There must be some, let's just do this. SFML random factor. Oh, okay. What's the import for this? Let's try using their randomizer, I guess. Get a random integer between 0 and 100. Sounds good to me. I don't like how long the string is, but that's life. Okay, so we want to get one between -100 and 100. In both directions. No member name randomizer. Oh. Wait, they don't have it in the newest version? That's sad. Okay, fine. C++ random int in range. Come on, Stack Overflow. What is that? Oh, 25 and 63. That's too much code for me. Okay, we'll grab this one. Let's go to util. A for B. A plus rand B minus A plus 1. Okay, fine. It's going to be an int. Okay, sounds good to me. Rand in -100, 100, point F. Okay, so now they should move actually in like a random direction, hopefully. Aye. Well, at least they're switching sides. They are flipping. So the flipping is done. check mark for there. The next thing to fix is that the hold location is not very good. I mean, for the baby, it's not too bad, but okay. Like this is okay. This is not okay. So let me commit what we have so far. Oops. Add sprite flipping. Okay. Okay, so how do we hold things? So when we pick something up with the dog, we are doing this. So we just, okay, this is the problem. So if we, I don't know what this is. Let's do like 10, 50 and see which direction is which. It should be very obvious. Okay, perfect. So this is probably 300 then. That'll be fixed. I don't know why. Okay, okay, ooh. Okay, let's try the baby. I don't know if we should flip, but that's a question. Okay. I mean, that's pretty good. I'm happy with that location. Okay. So in this case, we could actually just do 300 times 1 or negative 1. We're just blasting through stuff. It's only been 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, so the last two things we have here. So collisions with non-dogs when the... Yeah, this is a question, right? It's like, if you're a chicken, should a chicken collide with a baby? Probably, right? Look at them go. Oh, the flipping definitely does not work. Wait a second. Because he's going that way. Oh, I didn't update the random for the chicken. I only did it for, yeah. Okay. So what do we need? We need to... how are we gonna do collision here? So they are collidable because they are entities. So I guess all we have to do is implement this function. And then I guess just not move if colliding with something. When does handle collision run? Does it run? When is it set to false? Who sets this to false though? Oh, here. Oh yeah, we can do that. So in chicken, has collided. true. False. And then, I actually don't know the order of this, but if we just add it at the end, we can kind of expect that that'll be happening. And then we just go if held or has collided, stop moving. And let's see if we can get it to stop. We'll have to figure out how to tell it which direction to move. Oh, look at that. Okay, so... Oh, but... we gotta make sure to tell it, because otherwise it'll never move again. Okay, touch it, leave. Touch it. It's not moving, it's not moving, it's not moving. It's not moving. Leave. Perfect. That makes it a lot easier to grab things. You just run in front of it, stop, and then grab. I guess that's fine. Let's see what happens when these two collide. I mean, do I really mind though? As long as they... I guess I don't really mind if like things are overlapping like that. But I do mind if they're touching like a building or something. We're gonna have to fix that. Let me add that to the list. Oops, wrong place. Entities should collide only with I don't know, let's say frozen objects. Frozen meaning like things that never move, like the well or a building. Maybe that's the better solution. Is to just, okay, actually we can do this pretty easily. So, in entity, we keep an idea of the draw layer. And we can just say that normal is 1. The like building, or frozen, is 0. So this means that, oh actually wait, this means they'll never collide, right? Well, well. Okay, so there's no way for us to... It's a good question. We don't want to put it on the background. But I guess we can just do it here. So we go here. If our draw layer is normal, and if our draw layer is normal, and we've hit something frozen, right? Draw layer frozen, then we're gonna return true. Well, assuming they collide, I guess. So, wait, okay, so in here we go. So if the draw layers don't match, then we want to return false. But if our draw layer is normal and theirs is frozen, then let's do this. There we go. For this one special case, continue as normal. This. Okay, so then they'll still be able to collide, but the thing that will be colliding will be the normal. Otherwise, if we're not, like if we're the well, it doesn't matter because we'll never be normal as a well. Okay, wait, let me check on something. Let me just put, here, I'll put this up. You can watch the chicken dance. Oh no. Oh yeah. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so now all we have to do is I hear like, oh, it's a dog. All we have to do is tell the frozen items, which are building, that the draw layer, I guess here, is frozen. Does that work? Okay. And then let's do the well. Draw layer. Frozen. What? No member name. Oh, right. Sorry. Frozen. Okay. So then, do we want to... Right, okay. So then let's remove the collisions for normal on... Normal to normal. So if... Let's do this. If we're normal and they're normal, let's just not collide for now. Okay. False. To do decide if we want normal collision or not. I don't know. I feel like it's kind of in the way when I try to like when I'm running around with the dog. Like I'm running around and I don't know. Wait, we're still colliding. Why are we still colliding? Oh right, sorry. Okay. My bad. So now we should just be able to walk through it and we can... Frick. The grabbing mechanic only worked on that. Okay. Oh no. And the like, buildings should be frozen. Okay, wait. If our draw layers are both normal, we're gonna do this. Okay. Draw layers are not the same. Okay. If they're not the same, and the this is hard to read, so I'm just gonna do this. Like that. Do nothing. There we go. Okay, so if we're frozen, right, okay. The well's draw layer is frozen. I don't know, it should work, right? I mean, why does this not work? Does the well work? Okay, the well still works. Okay, so why doesn't the building work? Frozen? Why? So confused. Buildings. Yeah, buildings are entities. Okay. When updating the buildings, I mean, I assume I should we just is there any reason why we don't just do it like this? Update the babies. Update the chickens. I mean, the O of N is the same, right? Because it's just the constant that's bigger. Okay. Buildings, buildings, updates, T. Okay. What's your problem? Oh, buildings don't have updating? I know they don't. That can't be the problem, right? Oh, for sure won't. But like, what are we missing then if... Why does the well work, but the... Oh, the well? Wait. No, the well doesn't do anything. It has a handle collision, but it doesn't actually do anything at all. What about the dog? Does the dog do anything special with wells? Oh. If it's a well... Oh yeah, but that's fine. Here we go. Oh, I see. Wait. If it's a held item, we're gonna not do anything. Perfect. If it's a well, we're gonna not do anything. Okay. Otherwise, we're gonna grab the collider. I mean, this seems like it works for me. Let's see if we're colliding with the building. Building-ish. STD, CMs, building, collide. Okay. Struct building. What, doesn't like the forward declaration? Fine. Let's grab the building. There's no reason that it needs to be in here. Sure, it's a character. Welcome to the characters. Okay. No logging. So that's not good. Is the building collider not in the correct location? I mean, we're seeing the collider right now. That's what we're visualizing. What is the problem here? What is the well doing that we're not doing? Draw layer frozen. Colliders. Bubble. Colliders. Plus 600. Maybe I shouldn't put the plus 600. No. Here we are. I guess let's put it at the top. I'm just bad. Okay. Let's change the building back to non-frozen. Okay, so the building is just not colliding with anything. I wonder, was it ever colliding? Why wouldn't the building collide? Oops. I mean, the building should be in here, right? Buildings. It should technically be sorting correctly. Would a building sort behind? Oh. Maybe? Okay, wait. If we change these, so normal is 0. And frozen is 1. But then why would the well still work? That doesn't make sense. Okay, the well works. This is not working. I mean, it's not even frozen anyway. Frozen? It's a nightmare. Why do I always end up in this like weird situation where... There we go. I don't know what happened there, but... It's working. We need to make the dog collider smaller as well. Okay, and the well still works. Okay. I don't know what happened there. But we don't need this. And we definitely don't need this. Did we need that? Nope. Okay, perfect. Okay, what's next? Let's make the dog collider smaller. Racket size 0.75. Okay, let's go. I mean, we gotta move it a little bit then, I guess. What was the origin for the other ones? Let's just steal that. Oh. Dog. the position. We don't set it here. We set it. Wait, what do we? Oh, because the collider is what's moving here. So technically, it needs to be at the position. Okay, so let's just. Why does the sprite need to be moved? What happens if we don't do this and instead we do sprites, set position, pause? What do you think will happen? Wait, what? How does that make any sense? We're gonna set the sprite at the exact same position. That doesn't make sense. It's the opposite of what we want. Okay, I guess we don't want any. Do we not want anything? No, we want to move it. I don't know. 200? It's definitely better. I mean, oh, that's why we have the plus 600. Right. Is that what fixed it though? I don't want to, well, I guess we can just check. Is that what changes the collider problem? No, it seems fine. We will have to fix that eventually. So let me add that. So this is done. Check. We need to fix dog should overlap with house. Sorry, building. Building. Add bottom. So like the, oops, I keep thinking I'm in Vim. The bottom of the house, the dog should be able to like walk in front of the house, you know, because like otherwise how would you get in the door, right? So I think that makes sense. Okay, let's commit what we did already. Remove. Right, okay. Remove object to object collisions. Keep object to frozen collisions. I mean, this is probably one of the most productive days. Mostly because the code was like relatively simple. It was just like doing it. What's next? Should we add more settings? What's in like a normal game setting page? Let's go on the itch and just like, well, I guess, would an itch game really have a settings page? Free games. Let's just download something. Something tiny. Looks like a Lidum. Oh, what is that called? Like JS 4K? I guess they wouldn't have. I don't know. What's like top rated? It used to work on Mac, so I can run it. You think this game has a settings page? Oh, it might have it in Unity. Let's see. Come on. I'm trying to steal your settings page. Let's go. Oh, I don't have JavaScript installed. I guess. I don't. Oh, this one, does this have a demo? I assume it's Unity, right? 90 megabytes? That's so much. Especially just for like 10 seconds so I can... Oh, Autonauts. That's a good game. Okay, so... Oops. Okay. What was it called? I don't even remember. What was that game called? Raft. R for raft. R comes before S. Raft. I don't even see it in here. You do not have permission to open the application raft. What? README. Where's the README? I don't have the permission to open this program though. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to open the program. What is it called? Raft. Okay, so that's not happening. Let's delete it. Raft. You've been deleted, Raft. It's a good game. I have it on Steam. I don't have Steam installed on this computer. Does this have a OS X? No lighting. 57 megabytes. That's better. You do not have permission. What? What do I need permission for? Consult with the administrator. It's my computer. What? Don't have permission, Mac. File, get info. What do you want me to do? Click the arrow next to sharing and permissions. Read and write. Oh, come on. Type my password. It's only read. Yeah, there's not. I have read and write privilege. Do I need to do something else? What is it called? Oh no, it's general, right? Allow apps. I don't understand. Oh, it's also Unity. I wonder if Unity just doesn't work on Mac? You do not have permission to open the application. You do not have permission to open the application. It is Big Sur. I agree. Big Sur sucks. Yeah, I'm not doing this stuff. Sudo xadder quarantine app. Okay. How do I get to my downloads? Okay. Sudo boop Autonauts. No such file. What are you talking about? No such file. Dot app. Did it work? It's a directory. I mean, it's a dot app. How do you run a dot app? This is actually, what a life. The below info works for me. Sudo chmod? No, I don't think so. Mac OS, my app. Sorry, this is unreadable. There you go. Contents, Mac OS. Hey, okay. There we go. So I guess that's it. It's just like controls. And resolution. Okay, what about like the Minecraft settings? Minecraft settings. Not for Mac, just in general. Language? Ooh. Well, there's no language in this game. It'll all be photos. It'll be okay. Texture packs. Well, we can support a texture pack easily, I think. Okay, so what I want to know actually instead, let me give this a follow because I like him. What I like, let's do this. How do I like include image in exe? Like I want to, yeah, include the resources in the file. Dun 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 dun. For example, an embedded DLL. C code from binary files. Qt form. How do I make a resource in like Clang though? What is a resource? Let's see. Man Clang. No resource in here? Oh, cool. We have like C++ 2020. So no, I guess is the answer. What is a resource dir? Clang include resources. Convert file.ping data.h. Give something like. I mean, I guess I could do that, but then I have to do that every single time I edit this file, which I don't really want to do. Bin. Really? I don't know if I trust this. For example, we have LD, right? For example, you can embed binary files in executable using the linker. If you have foo.bar, okay, let's grab something. Let's grab, like, I don't know, baby.ping. If you're invoking LD through GCC, you will need to add WL. LD combines several. Okay, so I assume it's running LD, right? LD flags clang. Linker flags. L. Wait, what are we looking for? Sorry. We're looking for format binary. zarg. Undefined. Undef. Static pi. Static spec shared s. Library directory, add directory, specify scripts. There we go, WL. Weep. Oops. Whoop. I don't know if it'll work, but let's try it, I guess. I assume it'll go here. And we're gonna do baby.png. Baby. Okay, make. Let's see what happens. Unknown option, format binary. Oops. I don't like it. Do we have obj copy? No, we have obj dump. The problem with the obj copy is you have to tell it the linker thing, the linker thing. I don't understand what this is supposed to do. No, for no format. It said LD. Binary. I gotta look through all of these. There's so many flags. Um, options to control optimizations. Options when creating a dynamic library. Options when creating a main executable. No pi. No pi allowed. Stack size, allow, export. When creating a bundle. No, when creating an object file. Spread symbol, alias, flat namespace, symbol name, undefined RPath. Introspecting the linker, probably don't need that. Controlling sig, no. Rarely used options, that sounds like my kind of stuff. Let's see what we got. We need something with a parameter. I don't know. I don't know what you're supposed to do normally. Just make like a .bin and then like run that with your program, I guess. I don't see anything. Obsolete options. Okay, fine. We tried. Here, format tells the linker that the following file is binary. Oh. WL, comma, baby, .png. Copy resources, baby.png, make. Ignoring file, sorry. Dash WL, comma, dash dash format equals binary. A linker command failed. Use dash v to see invocation. So format, LD format binary. Yeah, but it doesn't exist anymore, right? O format. Maybe it used to be format, now it's O format? I don't... I mean, we did look for format in here. And... current version... format, prebind, pointer, information. That's it. LD Mac, binary. Here's the closest translation. LDR F set create binary foo.bin foo.bin. Okay, let's just not worry about it for now. Maybe there's something in here, but I would guess probably not, right? Let's see. Frequently asked questions. How do I link static? No. Okay, I'll think about that later. VSync, one sprite or X sprites to draw X textures. Generally less objects, the faster. Okay. Networking, window, programming. What is RAII? No, I don't care about that. I want to know. They have transparent windows. That's kind of cool. Correct type project. When the IDs. Oh. Rats. Okay, so what I wanted to know instead was... I don't even remember now. I've like already lost what I was thinking about. Oh, the images stuff. Yeah, the question is like... I guess it doesn't worry about it. You know? Like it assumes you can load your image. SFML, load image from file, binary. Let's see what we got. Zoom in, please. But I gotta make the font so tiny on here. What a nightmare. Okay. Yeah, okay. We'll just not worry about it. Okay, in that case, get rmbaby.png. I'll just do it myself. Okay, sounds good. We got like basically everything we wanted to done. Look at this. Look at this beautiful. All these check marks except the code hotspot, which we decided probably not the best to do right now. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.
Let him agonize, cause it's gonna be biting you. They're gonna kill if you let them through.